Hello friends, my name is Japneet Kaur. In this video tutorial, we will be writing a Python program for getting input for the age, for the birth year and the present year. So let me just show you that program, that how it will work. So I was born in 2010 and the present year is 2020. Yeah, it is showing my age that I am 10 years old. And if I run again, like I was born on 2002 and the present year is 2020. Yeah, it's showing that I'm 18 years old. Okay, so we will be writing this program. Okay, so let us start. First of all, we will be making three variables. First variable is birth year. Okay, we will be taking the input. So writing input, and we want that write your age. Write your birth year. And now we will be making our second variable, which is present year. Okay, now we will be again taking input that which year is going on now. Write present year. Done. And now we will be making the third variable. Just a second. Equals to, equals to. And now we will be making our third variable, which is going to be age, which will be calculated. So for that, I'm giving integer int, which is going to be in present year. Present year, I want to subtract in birth year, in birth year. Sorry, underscore. Yeah, it means I want to subtract birth year from the present year, which will be our age. And now it's time for printing that. Print age. Now let us run this program and write your birth year. I'm going to write like 2010. The present is 2020. It is showing that I am 10 years old. And if I just run again, write your birth year, like I'm writing 2003. And the present year is 2020. It is showing that I am 17 years old. Even if I write a long age, I'm writing 1984. And present year is 2020. It is showing that you are 36 years old. It will work for each and everyone. If I just write 1947 and the present year is 2020, it means 73. On 1947, India got its independence. It means 73 years back, India got its independence. So thank you for watching our video. Please share, like, subscribe our channel. Bye.